Hello baking friends, it's Bea here, and right now I'm going to show you how to make some delicious dark chocolate black bean brownies where we use the whole bean and nothing but the bean, just like these ones that we've saved from the other recipe we did, which used the black bean aquafaba liquid. What's really cool about this recipe is it's naturally gluten-free because black beans, surprisingly, do not contain any gluten. It also involves us making an egg replacer out of flax seeds, which I'm going to show you how to do next. It binds everything together and it's really simple to make. So what you need is 2 tablespoons of ground up flax meal. You can buy flax seeds from most supermarkets, and about 6 tablespoons of really hot water. Now you just mix them together, give them a wee stir, leave them for a couple of minutes, and you'll see that it starts to thicken up a bit like the albumin in an egg white, and then it's ready to go. So to make my full bean black bean brownies, you really do need a food processor or a blender because there's just too much mashing and chopping of beans involved otherwise. For the full ingredient list and method, please see the description below. It's a really easy recipe. You basically just chuck everything in the ingredients list except for the chocolate chips straight into the bowl of a food processor. So in go the black beans. It's about 2 tins worth, just a little bit less than 2 tins worth. We've got some dark brown sugar, a little bit of baking powder. We've got some maple syrup and some oil. And then we've got what has now thickened up into being our pretty cool looking flax egg, a bit like the egg white you'd see in a normal chicken's egg, and that goes in too. Last of all, you need your cocoa powder, tip it all in, and then you just blitz it and blend it together until it's really nicely mixed and smooth. I'm just gonna scrape down the sides of the bowl to make sure there are no beanie bits left over, and just keep blitzing and blending until everything is really, really smooth. So now my mixture is totally smooth. I'm gonna do a little bit of a layering job in my brownie pan and spread a nice thin layer, roughly half of the mixture across the bottom. And then I'm gonna drizzle in some peanut butter and some chunks of dark dairy-free chocolate. So now I'm going to spoon in some peanut butter or some other nut butter of your choice. Some good generous dollops all across the middle of the brownie. And I've got a big generous handful of dark chocolate chunks to add in too. And then for the top layer, I'm going to spoon over the rest of the brownie mix and just put it all the way to the edges, nice and even all across the top. And then I'm going to finish off by adding a few more chunks of lovely dark chocolate to the top. Now she's ready to bake at 175 for about half an hour to 35 minutes. Now here she is. I've let her cool down after she came out the oven. And I'm just going to cut a big slice through and show you what it looks like. Here we are. Get a look at this. You can see the speckles of the peanut butter in the middle. Delicious. Click below to subscribe for more delicious baking videos.